It's Dunes Water Wheel on Grouper Vision International. Yes. 1 minute. Here you have 1 minute of Dunes Water Wheel at the Aloha Resort, Lamai Beach, Koh Samui, Thailand, July 21st, 2016. Yeah. And I'm your host, I'm the Grouper. Back to Dunes Water Wheel. Yes. Now Dunes Water Wheel goes round and round and round in a circle. Kind of like your life. And Dune is here with us. There it is. That's Dunes Water Wheel, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. And where'd he go? Where'd Dune go? Where'd he go? Where'd Dune go? Oh, he's over there. There he is, the man himself. So you're watching Dunes Water Wheel at the Aloha Resort, Lamai Beach, Koh Samui, Thailand. And I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.